So these are my ingredients for the recipe. I have my tomatoes. Now I'm using some very ripe tomatoes. I have some chopped scallion. I have a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper because I don't love a lot of pepper. And I also have some onion rings. Now over there I have my saltfish that I boiled and allowed to soak to remove the excess salt. Now, if you're a person like me who like to scrape or remove the outer layer of the saltfish before you break it into smaller pieces, then go ahead and do so. Alright? So here I have my pot on the stove. Now, I love to use my Dutch pot, but today I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to be using this pot. Now, I have a relatively amount of oil. Now, normally I don't like to use a lot of oil, but saltfish, it do takes a lot of oil, so I add enough, right? So I allowed my oil to become hot. Now I added all my natural season that was in the bowl. Now bear in mind that when you're adding overripe tomatoes, once you add it to the hot oil, it's gonna kind of splash, alright? So be careful. Now I'm just gonna saute my veggies until they have a nice beautiful color that was released from the overripe tomatoes, alright? So the oil going to become like the color of the tomato, which is red. I am using a medium flame because I don't want my seasonings to burn. Alright, and I stir it occasionally just to bring out the flavors together. After doing so, I am going to add my saltfish. Now bear in mind that you can always break a saltfish into bigger or smaller pieces if you choose, but this size is perfect for me. Now I'm just gonna mix to combine the saltfish with all of that natural seasoning, and just give it a nice mix them together so they can bring out the flavors together. Alright, now this is how I like to cook up my saltfish. Now if you like, you could always just fry it off first and then you add a seasoning, but I do love my saltfish to get the color from the tomato. Alright, you also give it a nicer taste when you saute all the vegetables together. Now I love to add black pepper to my saltfish, so I'm adding some. Now if you like to add black pepper as well, you add it to your liking. Alright, now if you are enjoying the video, as I always say, make sure to join the family, and also when you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you never miss another upload. I post new videos every week, so I always try to create interesting recipes. So if you enjoy the content, please do share with others as well, and you are free to contribute to my channel. My PayPal link is in the description box below. Now I'm just gonna cook up my saltfish. After I add the saltfish, just kind of fry it up for about 2 to 3 more minutes, because even though you boil the saltfish, you still want it to have the nice flavor there from the natural seasoning. So me just kind of make them mingle together. Yeah, so at this point it's all done, so I'm gonna just put out the flame. Now you can have this with anything that you like, but today I'm just gonna have mine with some boiled dumplings. Alright, now I hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, don't leave it out giving me a thumbs up. When you thumbs up the video, YouTube sees that you enjoy the content and they will push it to a wider audience. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate the love and support. So I'm just gonna share the saltfish and let you see the end product. Alright, I will also upload another video where I'll show you how to make your hard boiled dumplings. Some persons, they don't really know how to make it. Sometimes you make it and it's like it's not made properly. So I'm gonna show you tips and tricks on how to make your boiled dumplings. Alright, so stay tuned for that recipe, and there are so many recipes coming up. I know you guys gonna enjoy it. Alright, so this is the end product. Thank you so much for watching, and from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. And if you try the recipe, please comment down below and give me your feedback. I do appreciate the love and support that I've received towards my channel, and I hope that you continue to support my channel.